Welcome. Today I'm introducing Nelson Nessus Syarikat Sdn Berhad, a growing trading company that connects Asian producers with European markets. We specialize in exporting high-quality food and non-food products while promoting fair trade, transparency, and sustainability. Our goal is to help business make faster, smarter decisions through unified data system. To achieve this, we use a strong mix of digital tools and analytics, including Power BI, TableAU, JDOS, and Search BI, supported by cloud platforms like AWS and Google BigQuery. By combining in-house systems with modern technologies, we deliver better forecasting, supplier management, and global decision-making.
For process identification, we have chosen product line intelligence and categorized this process as both an operational and a tactical process. The operational process focuses on efficiency and productivity to support daily activities and decisions, converting strategic objectives into practical activities and procedures. The tactical process develops short-term initiatives and specific actions that support departmental, functional, and medium-term planning by describing the specific steps, materials, and deadlines. Product line intelligence will impact on the supply chain efficiency, customer targeting, and sales at the operational level. We model the process as an S-shaped diagram involving the marketing department, sales department, data analytics team, management, inventory department, and customer service. The process starts with the marketing department collecting customer and market trend data and sending it to the data analytics team for analysis. After analysis, the marketing department identifies the target customer and reports to the decision maker. Once management completes decision making, the sales department implements targeted campaigns, receives orders, and forwards them to the inventory department. The inventory department analyzes product data and checks availability. If products are available, they are distributed to the sales department, which delivers the orders to customers. Customer service then receives customer feedback and submit it to the marketing department. If products are not available during stock checking, the inventory department must find a supplier. If the supplier is available, the product is distributed to the sales department. If not, the inventory department cancels the order. The biggest problem with the process is the dependency on a sequential flow, where each department waits for the previous step due to the lack of an integrated system for parallel processing and predictive inventory planning. As we can see, the first bottleneck is limited data sharing between departments, where real-time collaboration is prevented by data silos. For example, the marketing department receives feedback but does not share it with other departments. The second bottleneck is an inefficient supply chain and inventory process, as delays occur when the inventory department tracks stock only after orders are forwarded and searches for suppliers only after lost stock is discovered.
So for our proposed product line intelligence PLI system, high quality and integrated data from multiple departments is essential. The system will combine customer, product, sales, supplier, and marketing data into one unified database to support accurate real-time analytics. Customer data helps with segmentation, targeting, and retention. Product and sales data improve forecasting and performance tracking. Supplier data supports supply chain reliability and cost control. Marketing and feedback data evaluate campaign success and customer satisfaction. Market data from API guides regional expansion decisions. Together, these data sources allow Nielsen Nexus to move from manual reporting to an integrated, data-driven decision system. This ensures every department from marketing to inventory work with the same accurate insight.
For technological architecture, our analytics system begins with the people who use it every day. Each department, including marketing, sales, inventory, customer service, management, supply chain, and the API team, access the system through their laptops. These devices connect through Wi-Fi to our internal server, which provides access to both local applications and our cloud environment. Staff generate data through tools like Microsoft Excel and our CRM system to capture information such as sales transactions, customer interactions, inventory changes, and operational updates. We also collect digital engagement data from Google Analytics, which feeds web traffic and marketing performance insights into our internal network. All of these sources flow into our data processing layer. Here, we use a combination of ETL technologies. which include Microsoft SSIS for structured internal datasets, Azure Data Factory for Azure-based integrations, Talent for cross-platform workflows, AWS Glue for cloud-native transformations, Apache 95 for real-time streaming, and Google Dataflow for large-scale batch and streaming tasks. These tools also extract information from our marketing, sales, and inventory data marts and standardize everything into a consistent data format. The processed data is then transferred into our cloud infrastructure. Storage services like AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage hold raw and curated datasets. Compute services such as AWS EC2, Azure Virtual Machines, and Google Compute Engine handle transformation workloads and analytics processing. Networking components, including API gateways, load balancers, and virtual networks, can securely manage traffic, authentication, and communication between services. Finally, all clean and consolidated data is loaded into our centralized cloud data warehouse, which uses AWS Redshift, Azure Synapse, and Google BigQuery. Business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau connect directly to this warehouse to produce dashboards, KPIs, and performance reports. These insights are then accessed by all departments throughout the same network to support fast and informed decision-making across the organization.
We recommend 5 categories of external technology provider. First, a cloud infrastructure provider such as AWS or Azure to create a single real-time data environment accessible across regions. Second, a BI tool like Power BI to automate dashboard and eliminate manual reporting. Third, an ERP system such as Odoo or SAP to support inventory forecasting and supply chain optimization. Fourth, a modern CRM like HubSpot to unify customer data and enable targeted retention campaign. And finally, external data APIs to strengthen forecasting with logistic and market demand information. Together, these two improve efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. The new design shifts the company from a sequential Excel-based process into an integrated and intelligence-driven BI ecosystem. The first improvement is data integration and automation. Previously, each department updated data separately. In the 2B model, CRM, ERP, and API data flow automatically into a cloud data warehouse, where ETL pipeline clean and structured into a unified models. This removes delay, reduces error, and ensures real-time information across the company. The second major improvement is analytic maturity, moving from basic descriptive reporting to predictive analytics. The new system supports demand forecasting, crunch prediction, and inventory optimization, which allow the company to act proactively instead of reacting when issues occur. We also improve decision-making tools. Instead of waiting for manual reports, all departments now use real-time dashboard. Management see KPI instantly, marketing view segmentation and campaign results, sales get lead scoring, and supply chain see inventory level, and it creating a faster and clearer decisions. Next is workflow automation. The 2B system introduced automated low stock alerts, auto-generate purchase order, targeted CRM campaign, automated lead scoring, and automatic customer feedback logging. This significantly reduced manual tasks and improved operational speed. The final improvement is cross-department collaboration. Instead of working in silos, all teams now operate on one integrated platform. Customer interact flow back into the warehouse, creating a closed-loop system that continuously improves analytics and forecasting. The redesigned 2B process follows a continuous automated loops. It starts with automated data capture from CRM, ERP, and external APIs. Data then flow into the cloud data warehouse where ETL pipeline process and structure it. Next, the data analytics team manage the platform and develop predictive model and dashboard. Management then assess real-time dashboard and make data-driven decisions. Marketing execute automate campaigns, sell use CRM insight and lead score. Inventory receive automate alerts and act on forecast-driven purchase order, and customer service log feedback into the CRM. The process ends at marketing, forming a full closed-loop improvement cycle. To support this, the company needs granular customer data, SKU level inventory data, market engagement metric, and account platform, BI tool, ERP and CRM system, API connector, and strong data governance.
For system development, we selected the Agile Business Intelligence Agile BI methodology using the Scrum framework. Agile BI is ideal because BI systems require flexibility, fast feedback, and continuous improvement. The process runs in short sprints, each delivering a working component like a dashboard or ETL process. After every sprint, stakeholders review and give feedback to ensure the system always meets user needs. Key roles include the product owner, who sets priorities, the Scrum Master, who ensures smooth collaboration, and the development team, who build and test features. Agile BI helps Nielsen Nexus gain quick value, adapt to new data needs, and reduce risk through frequent testing. It ensures the product line's intelligence system evolves continuously to support real-time, data-driven decisions.
The BI system delivers strong values by improving real-time decision-making, forecasting, and giving consistent insights across departments. Operationally, it cuts manual work, reduces errors, improves coordination across CRM, ERP, and inventory, and supports sustainability tracking. However, there are key risks. Sensitive data in the cloud can face breaches or compliance issues. There are also ethical and technical risks such as reliance on external vendors, misuse of data, and environmental impact. Strong governance and secure practices are required. Thank you.